and I made it myself.
I couldn't remember if
And
you
if
actually
anything,
benched in or not.
well, yeah, I looked that up, sure.
Aha!
But if you talk to Adriana, most of your base came from my base.
What do you mean?
Damn.
What?
I don't know. She was walking around. She's like, "Oh, it kind of looks like he copied you."
What? Just because you did the floor? What else would I have done? My fire pit doesn't look the same. Well,
Damn, Christian, you're getting called out.
When was ain't the same? Building instructions different. What about Devon's? What do you mean? Like, I know she just wants to piss me off. You know, I'm not gonna feed into her.
You've already fed so much.